Did you know that you can make ratatouille in a pizza oven? Yes, you can. And you can make a lot of other fun and interesting recipes in the pizza oven. Ratatouille is a super healthy dish which is full of vegetables and fits pretty much any diet. It might look intimidating, but it's actually really easy to make. And today I will show you a very simple recipe for making an amazing ratatouille in a wood-fired oven. Hello, my name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Become a hero in the kitchen. On my channel I will inspire you with proven, fun and unique international recipes delivered weekly and cooked using modern kitchen gadgets such as air fryer, instant pot, pizza oven, sous vide and much more. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Note that you can make the same recipe in the regular or convection oven as well. Okay, let's get started. Step number 1. Making the sauce. Chop 1 yellow onion and 5 cloves of garlic. Preheat the pan with an oil. Add chopped onion on the pan and let it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add chopped garlic and let it simmer for some time until the onion is starting to turn nice and yellow color. Add 2 cups of diced tomatoes, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, salt, pepper, herbs and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Step number 2. In the meantime, you can slice all the vegetables about 1/4 of the inch. You can use knife or mandolin slicer to make it more even. Try to cut potatoes more thinly as it takes a bit longer to cook potatoes through. Since eggplant is slightly larger in diameter, cut round slices in quarters. Start putting everything on the pan with the sauce. Before sending it to the oven, add some olive oil, salt and pepper on top. Cook it in the oven until all the vegetables are cooked through. My oven was about 750 degrees Fahrenheit. I cooked under the lid for about 30 minutes and another 5 minutes without the lid. When it's done, you can add some herbs on top. Unfortunately, I can't fully describe the smell of it, but trust me, it smells amazing. And it tastes amazing. You can serve it by itself as a great vegetable option, or you can add meat or fish. I end up cooking a wild cod, which is super simple. Sprinkle each cod fillet with the salt, pepper, lemon juice, olive oil and cayenne pepper and cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. If you like my video, leave comments below. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.